Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to put a JUMBOTRON in your Bootstrap, right? First, just put your links, right? Bootstrap 4 of course. The JUMBOTRON, I don't really know how to explain it, it's like a card, really pretty thick. Let me show you. Let's just create a div, okay? Simple div. A div with the class JUMBOTRON, and it will already appear like that. If you put more paragraph, it will just increase the space down. It will always have this space, this padding, and yes, it will always have this padding. More, let me show you the fluid. Now for the fluid JUMBOTRON, you must put the first JUMBOTRON normally, the JUMBOTRON fluid, okay, the fluid, don't forget. After that, JUMBOTRON fluid. Then you put a class div with a class container or a container fluid, it's up to you. And then you put the rest of the stuff. But what's the difference? It's that it will just occupy the 100% width it can. Okay, let me show you. I will put just top here. Here we go. Okay, save it. So you see, the first one starts from there. Okay, second one starts from the container. There's a small difference, but I think, in my opinion, the second one looks better. Okay, it's up to you. Quick video. If you guys enjoyed, see you soon.